Roedd y fenni o'r ail haen yn croesawu Port Talbot o'r brif adran yn rhededd rownd cwpan Merched Cymru a'r tîm cartra aeth ar y blaen wedi chwarter awr. Kate Jeremiah manteisio'r gamgymeriad Emily Roberts i rwyddo ei chweched gol y tymor yma. Wedi'r siom o gwympo o'r brif adran yn yr haf dangosodd y fenni bod y safona heb gwympo. Lindsay Davies yn dyblu mantais y fenni 3 munud yn ddiweddarach. Dim ond munud o'r ail hanner oedd wedi chwarae pryd sgoriodd y fenni'r drydedd. Taran wergyd gan Caitlin Davies yn rhoi'r tîm cartra ymhellach ar y blaen. Cafodd Port Talbot gico'r smotyn gyda chwarter awr o'r gêm ar ôl yr eilydd. Megan McVey yn llorio Kirsty O'Donnell yn y cwrt. A Jess Denscombe ysgwyddodd y cyfrifoldeb, ond arbediad arwrol gan Charlotte Hastings yn selio lle y fenni ymhedwaredd rownd y cwpan.
I'm happy. You know, we knew it was going to be a tough test, but I thought we've dominated a lot of possession, created quite a lot. Just happy to get over the line and into the next round.
We want a massive statement. We don't believe we should be a Tier 2 team. We believe that we're a Tier 1 team. We came 4th last year in the Welsh Women's Premier League. We've been demoted for reasons that aren't on the pitch, they're off the pitch. And we are here to make a statement. We're here to win back our place in Tier 1. And that's what we're here to do. And we'll win every game that we can.
There's always going to be a tough game coming up here. They're a brilliant side. Should never be in Tier 2 as far as I'm concerned. And today just proved it. I think, in fairness to our girls, we conceded 2 early goals. We've done well to keep it at 2 in the first half. I thought, to be honest, they were all over us. Missing 6 starting players to give 2 players their debut, 1 player from the 19s as well. Some positives to take, but unfortunately, it wasn't our day today, and congratulations to a very, very good Abergavenny team.
Oh, who do we want in the next round? I haven't had a chance to even look at who's won yet, I'll be honest with you. I haven't even looked at my phone. But a trip up north would be nice. I don't know if anyone's gone through, but we like a bus trip.